In this video, we're going to be replacing the center cap on our wheel of our 2005 Honda Element. To remove our center cap, we're going to use a small pocket screwdriver. We're going to get in between the center cap and the wheel, and we're going to pry outward. All right, we're going to do that in a couple of small areas. And that should work your center cap out and off. To install your new center cap, we're going to line it up in that center hole, and we're going to push straight in. Half of it went in, the bottom half. Just give it a light tap. Make sure it's seated all the way in, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.